So we recently installed a FANUC robot. The robot is loading and unloading our Hex-Flex flywheel plate line. And the reason that we got it is so that we can stay competitive in the market. So it's hard to maintain, especially with the labor market the way it is. This is going to allow us to better maintain cost. And the benefits long-term are going to be hopefully unmanned machining. The robot loads it the exact same every time. On top of that, it also 100% inspects them and captures that data for us on every part. If the part is good, the robot ejects it from the cage. If it's bad, it will dump it into a scrap bin. So we're able to capture the capability of the cell live in the moment with every single part. We have an X-bar and R chart running at all times, and if things get out of tolerance, the robot will stop and it will tell us where the problem is. And if it's out of tolerance, it will not let it out of the cage. I would say the performance is going to be better because of the 100% inspection. So only good product is going to escape the cell. Well, we're able to process more consistently and hit targets that are expected. Where with an operator, you might miss targets 1 hour because of one thing or another. The robot is always hitting target every hour. We can run up to 3 hours of unmanned, which is going to directly reflect in the cost of the product. The robot allows us to accurately anticipate our lead time for the customer, so we can eliminate their downtime and stay on target for our schedule.